Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Michaela and today's video is very exciting because it's basically Christmas and I'm going to be doing a self-care unboxing with the FabFitFun Winter 2020 box. Huge thank you to FabFitFun for sponsoring this video. I'm so excited about this, and before we get into it, if you haven't heard of FabFitFun, which I feel like is very difficult if you exist on social media, but for those of you that maybe don't know, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box that you get 4 times a year, and it truly feels like Christmas because you get so many amazing products. You get over $200 worth of products for $49.99. I do have a discount code though, so you can get it for $39.99. That link will be down below. The categories of products you'll receive fall into like fashion, lifestyle, fitness, beauty, and everything is full-sized. They currently ship the box to Canada, US, and the UK, and if you're looking for a gift for the holiday season coming up to give like your best friend, your mom, or your sister, I feel like this would be such an awesome gift to give because they get so many products for a really great deal. We love sustainability. Box is 100% recycled, as well as the paper inside, and every season they do partner up with a charity, and this season it is Stand Up to Cancer, which is fantastic because they're helping with bring awareness to how cancer patients have been affected by COVID-19, and I just think that's really awesome. Last thing, there's so many things to tell you. The last thing is that a lot of the products and a lot of the brands are female entrepreneurs or female founded, which we love. So that's it. Let's go ahead and jump into the box. There's some good stuff in here. Okay, so the first thing is I think this is pronounced Vor. I actually used their hair oil this morning, so I'm a big fan of the brand, and this is their Rhythm of the Rain hair mask and scalp detox. I love hair products and trying new hair products so much, so I'm very excited about this. The scent of this is really fresh and light, actually. Sometimes hair products can be overwhelming with scent, but this seems really nice and light. I'm very excited to try this out. It's a cream-based product, and I think it's going to be super moisturizing, which I definitely want for my ends, especially during the winter. So I'm fresh and shiny out of the shower now, and I did try out the Rhythm of the Rain hair mask and scalp detox from Vor, and there's 2 ways you can actually use this product. The first one is to work it through damp hair from root to tip and leave that for 2 to 3 minutes, and that's what I did. Or if you want a more like hydrating mask treatment, you can leave it in for 15 to 20 minutes. I didn't have that much time, so I did the 2 to 3 and I really liked it. I'm always a little hesitant to put something moisturizing from root to tip, but it gave this nice like coat to my hair that just made it feel so soft and shiny. I knew this would be a great product to use on my hair when I'm just planning on blow drying it or straightening it. I feel like my hair will be too soft with this to actually curl it, so I really liked it. The smell was really nice and it just felt so hydrating, and I felt like I didn't use a ton of product, which is really nice because sometimes when it comes to moisturizing treatments like this, I feel like I'm using like half the bottle to get through my hair because I have very thick, long hair. So yeah, so far so good. I'm gonna brush out my hair right now. If I can brush through my hair this quickly, then it did its job. If you have color treated hair or just like really dry hair all over, I feel like this would be a fabulous product for you because it does feel so moisturizing, and especially during the winter I feel like that's when my color treated hair gets like a little bit more frizzy, and that's often a complaint I have, is just my hair feels dry. So if you're looking for a hair treatment, definitely recommend this. It's nice. Brushing through my hair just now was seamless, so that's a sign of a good product. I'm impressed. The next product in here is the Aesthetica liquid eyeliner in black. You guys know I love a winged liner. I'm not the like most experienced when it comes to this kind of brush tip, so it was a little bit of a struggle, but I think it's good for me to practice using a liquid liner like this. It's definitely dark, very matte and black, which we love, and I really like the name of this brand. I've never tried anything from them, which is great, and honestly one of the best things about FabFitFun is being introduced to new brands, and yeah, I like this so far. Not so bad. Next up is an item I did customize, and they are the cutest Lily Pulitzer mugs. It came with a set of 2, and I'm a sucker for Lily Pulitzer. It's so cute. Their prints make me so happy, remind me of vacation, and if you've been watching my channel for a long time, you know that about me. So this was a no-brainer. I think this is so cute, and even though this is like kind of a fun summery print, I definitely think it's great for the winter because this is the perfect size for like a cappuccino, maybe a hot chocolate. I love big mugs like this, and I think they're just so cute, and I love them so much. They make me so happy, so I'm very excited to have coffee in these right after this. Okay, making a coffee. Doesn't this cup take you back?
Take me back to what?
Come on, well it says it, but my Lily Pulitzer obsession. You could have guessed. You've guessed for other prints before, the things I've had.
It's almost what I would expect from Lily, but
There's a lion in it. Isn't that cute though? I feel like it's like all your favorite colors. I feel like it's a very Cody mug.
I do love all those colors.
Next thing in the box, I got the Daily Concepts Daily Facial Dry Brush, and I thought this was kind of an interesting product to choose because I have a big dry brush that I use before I get into the shower to stimulate blood flow and all that, and I have like the big version for my body, so I thought it would be kind of interesting to try one for my face. I'm very excited to try this out. It's probably going to be a really great exfoliant, and it's probably not something I'll use all the time, but if I can stimulate blood flow and all that kind of stuff that I do to my body when I dry brush, I thought that could be cool to do on my face as well. It's me again. Back to try out the facial brush, which I'm very excited to talk to you guys about because I opened it and I tried it and it is so impressive. It truly is like a dry brush for your face, and I think I say in the other clip that this isn't something I would typically use every day. This is absolutely something I would use every day because you're supposed to use it on dry, clean skin. So you don't want to get it wet. You don't want to use it with any moisturizer or serums, nothing. And it is so soft. I kind of thought that this was going to be too like abrasive because dry brushes usually are. So what you want to do is you want to kind of sweep outward, just kind of like this on your forehead, down your nose and down your chin, and then outward on your cheeks, kind of like so. And you guys, it feels so relaxing, if not for like the benefits of dry brushing, but purely for the relaxation of it all. It's so nice. I like instantly felt zen when I was trying this, and I just think this is going to be such a nice thing to do every single morning. It feels so good and it leaves your skin feeling so freaking soft. I was just like so impressed with this when I first tried it. So she's a part of my routine now. It's definitely the perfect denseness. It's not too rough, it's not too soft. It just feels right. And I'm just so impressed. It feels so good. Good for lymphatic drainage. It just honestly feels like such a fun part of your routine. And I love doing like facial massages and things like this. They just make me feel so good, and I do actually see the benefits of them. So this is going to be hanging in my bathroom until further notice, and I'm going to be using it every single day because I love it. I think we should open this one next. This is a Summer and Rose bathrobe, and I'm so excited about this. It just looks so cozy, and I love the color so very much. So let's open this one. It's so soft. Oh, I die. I'm so excited. I'm gonna put it on right now. It has a hood. I love that. Oh. Yes. 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 It has pockets. I can't get over this color. It's so cute. This gets a 2 thumbs up from me. It is so soft and cozy. I cannot wait to put this on after my showers in the winter. The hood is so nice. Sometimes you just want a hood on things like this. It is so nice. Big fan of this. Like I said, love the color. What a great inclusion to the box. I'm obsessed. As much as I would love to keep that on for the rest of the video, I'm gonna get a little too sweaty. So I put it over there and we'll come back to that very soon. The next thing in here is from Below the Belt. This is a card holder. It's so cute. I love the color. It's very different for me, but the croc is very true to my aesthetic. So I'm very excited about that. Also too, I don't really use a proper wallet. I only use card holders. So this is great. And I do love that it has a zipper on the back. I have plastic on it, which is so cute. So that's really great. You can put like a little bit of change. There's a pocket at the top, which is nice. And then a couple card slots as well. So this is perfect. And I do really like the color. I think it's great for the winter time. The next item in here is an eyeshadow palette. This is from Laura Geller. This is the Cinnamon and Spice 12 eyeshadow palette. This was really beautiful. I'm wearing it on my eyes right now because I tried it out this morning. I really like it. My favorite thing about it is the fact that it has a really nice mix of matte colors and shimmers. It's definitely what I look for when it comes to eyeshadow. It's really simple because you can just throw one of the shimmers on and then blend out one of the matte colors in the crease. Very simple and easy. Also too, it's a nice neutral palette, even though it is a little bit more warm tone. Super, super wearable. I love the packaging because the mirror is so nice and big, and it made it really easy for me to do my eyeshadow this morning. So big fan of this. Very pretty. If you guys are choosing what to put in your FabFitFun box and you're looking for a new fun palette to try, definitely recommend this. The shadows are really nice. They blend out really easily and they're very pigmented. And the last product I have in here is from DP Hue. This is a hair care brand. I've actually been really wanting to try some of their products, so this was perfect. This is their apple cider vinegar dry shampoo powder. I love dry shampoo. I cannot live without dry shampoo, so I love trying new ones. And I think that a powder like this is really great. One, because it can fit into your bag or it's way easier to travel with, but also it can add so much more volume. I find that like using a powder, because you can use like a dry texture powder, but this is like a 2-in-1 that'll soak up all the oils but also give you volume and kind of texturize, if that makes sense. So I'm very excited to try this out, and yeah, it smells really, really good. It smells very fresh and light and clean. Nothing too overpowering, again, which is nice in both of the hair products I got. And it definitely doesn't smell like apple cider vinegar, if you're wondering. My hair is so dirty right now, you guys, so this is like definitely a true test to see if it soaks up oil. And it's definitely doing a good job, actually. It smells so good. I actually really notice a big difference of it soaking up oil, so that's fantastic. Adds volume and soaks up oil. Everything you would need in a dry shampoo. I like it. Now for my favorite part, and totaling up the box to see how much all of the products are worth in my box versus the price of the box, which is honestly my favorite, and it usually ends up being a very sweet deal. So if you guys are interested in checking out FabFitFun for winter 2020, definitely check the link down below. Huge thank you to them for sponsoring. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.